All right, so today's video is going to be very quick. I'm talking about some events that are coming up that are time sensitive, and we're just going to jump right into it. I'm not going to waste any time today. So, coming up is on August 27th to the 29th is going to be the Next Level Maker event, and it's called Refreshed. It's going to be at the Gaylord Texan Convention Center in Grapevine, Texas, and I'm going to be there on the vendor floor, and there are going to be 6 general sessions and 2 special general sessions featuring Xtool and MakerFlow, and then there are going to be 18 different breakout classes. So I'm going to spend most of my time there on the vendor floor. They have over 50 vendors, people that you buy supplies from every day, and we might get to see some new lasers or something like that. And hopefully I'll do a live stream on Saturday if the Wi-Fi allows. Otherwise, I'll make a video on it. The next event that's coming up is the Ignite and Scale Summit, and that is a virtual maker event that you can attend on your computer. That's from September 15th to 17th. However, there are VIP tickets right now available for $19, and that's only through the end of August. So 1st of September, the tickets are going to go up to $29, and then as the date gets closer, they go up even more. So I would take advantage of that. You're going to get a lifetime unlimited pass for $19. There's also going to be a mini challenge. This is being presented by the laser lady, Meredith, one of my YouTube buddies. And there's no upgrade needed to have the lifetime access if you act now before the end of the month. And there's also a chance to win a free Flex 7-watt portable laser by IKEA. So altogether, it's a $399 value. You get it now for $19 if you sign up by the end of the month. And links to everything, I'll have short links below the video where you can go and follow those links and sign up for either one. On the Next Level Maker event in Texas, you can get the vendor floor tickets are free. So if you just want to go to shop with the vendors, you can get those tickets for free. So if you've been wondering why I haven't been making videos lately, there are a couple of reasons why. Number one, I've switched to a Saturday night live schedule where I've been doing my Saturday night live videos, having call-in guests that can call into the live stream, and doing special projects there. And I'm also working on some special software that's going to launch on January 1st of next year. And that's going to be a full organization piece of software, as well as a lightburn buddy program for those people who would prefer to be walked through every step of the lightburn process from start to finish. So that's some exciting new software that's going to be coming January 1st of next year. And that's the reason why I haven't been doing very many videos. I will get 1 or 2 more videos out on different machines like the IKEA Master that's over here. I've got the LaserPecker LX2 and the We Create Flex. So I do have a couple of more review videos that are going to be coming out soon. You keep an eye out for those. But I wanted to make this video today short and sweet because it is time sensitive with the Next Level Maker event, as well as the Ignite and Scale Summit that are both coming up. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, maybe this Saturday night from Texas, from the Next Level Maker event, if I have good Wi-Fi. So thank you all so much for watching. See you in the next one.